Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix missed call notifications not showing on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on notifications and tap on advanced settings. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you enable app icon badges. After that, just enable manage notification categories for each app. Now, once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now in the search bar, just search phone. Now just tap on notifications. Now from here, just make sure you enable sound and vibration and make sure you select all these options. Now after that, just scroll down and tap on notification categories. And from here, just make sure you enable missed calls. And as you can see, this option is already enabled on our smartphone. And if it is disabled on your smartphone, just make sure you enable it. And this is how you can fix missed call notifications not showing on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.